Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra features the most advanced display ever put on a smartphone? Yet a single pocket sand scratch can ruin your $1,300 investment in less than a second? It's a wild reality for tech lovers, and that's exactly why we're diving into the Ultimate Shield Showdown today. All the links are in the description below if you want to grab one of these for yourself. We're breaking down the 3 heavy hitters to see which one actually deserves a spot on your 6.9-inch screen. From privacy ninjas to aluminum-reinforced glass, the competition is fierce this year. Here's a question before we jump in. Which matters more to you? Total privacy from nosy neighbors or raw, uncrackable durability? Drop your answer in the comments while we count these down. 3. TORRAS Uncrackable Privacy Screen Protector. Starting off at number 3 is the TORRAS Uncrackable Privacy Protector. And wow, this thing is a fortress for your digital life. Imagine
sitting on a crowded train or in a packed elevator. With its 25-degree anti-spy technology, your screen looks like a black slab to everyone around you, while remaining crystal clear to you. Perfect for sensitive work or private scrolling. It's built from 9H+ aerospace-grade tempered glass and survives 12-foot military-grade drops. Seriously impressive for a privacy screen. Compared to the ZAG Glass Elite or ESR Armorite, the TORRA Easy Auto Alignment Kit makes installation almost foolproof, even if you have shaky hands. Now, full transparency, you might notice a slight screen door texture or minimal dimming, but for the peace of mind in public, it's a trade-off many professionals gladly take. The 2-pack value means you've always got a backup if disaster strikes. Pro tip, re-register your fingerprints after installing to keep that ultrasonic scanner lightning fast. Quick question for you. Is privacy a deal breaker, or would you rather see every pixel in full clarity? Comment below. 2. Magic John Auto Dust Elimination Protector. At number 2, meet the Magic John Screen Protector, the magic trick of tech accessories. If you hate that one tiny piece of lint that always sneaks under your glass, this is your solution. Its standout feature? The Auto Dust Elimination Tray. Cover, pull the tab, and it sweeps away dust while perfectly aligning the 9H tempered glass at the same time. Genius, right? Compared to TORRAS, Magic John prioritizes pristine, bubble-free installation over extreme drop heights. Real-life testing shows stunning clarity with no rainbow effect and perfect S26 Ultra fingerprint unlock. The 2-pack gives incredible value, though the tray is a bit bulky and less eco-friendly. This one is perfect for users who want a professional-grade setup without paying $30 at a kiosk. Question for the viewers. Have you tried these one-pull installation kits, or are you still an old-school manual installer? Share your wins or fails in the comments. I love the stories. 1. Spigen AluminaCore, finally, the king of screen protection. The Spigen AluminaCore tempered glass. This isn't average glass. The aluminum silicate blend reaches 10H+ hardness, making it a beast against deep scratches and high-impact drops. For S Pen fans, the dense, smooth surface gives that perfect natural friction for writing or drawing. The Glas.tR fit tray is legendary, compact, simple, and ensures a perfect, case-friendly fit every time. While it doesn't have Magic John's dust sweeping system, the oleophobic coating keeps it feeling premium and smudge-free much longer. A tiny tip, toggle touch sensitivity mode in settings to keep your fingerprint scanner lightning fast. Small effort for 10 hours plus protection. So here's the big question. Which one would you trust with your S26 Ultra? TORRAS for privacy? Magic John for perfect install? Spigen for raw, unbeatable durability? Drop your pick below. I'm curious to see. Which one wins in the comment battle? That wraps up our best shields for the S26 Ultra.
Don't forget, all the links are in the description if you're ready to gear up. If this helped you decide, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep tech dives, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.